Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here. Today, I'll be presenting on the topic AI for cybersecurity, monitoring, and mitigating threats. With the increasing use of technology in our personal and professional lives, we are more connected than ever before. But this connectivity also brings risk. Cyber attacks are now more common, more advanced, and harder to stop. This is where artificial intelligence or AI comes into play. Over the next few minutes, we will explore how AI helps detect, monitor, and respond to cyber threats efficiently. Let's get started. First, let's understand what cybersecurity means. Cybersecurity refers to protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks can result in data theft, financial losses, or disruption of services. Common examples of cyber threats include hacking, malware, phishing, hacking, and unauthorized access to system. Malware, software that damages or steals data. Phishing, tricking people into giving up personal information. With so much data being shared online, organizations and individuals are at constant risk. Traditional methods of protection like firewalls or antivirus software are no longer enough. They often react too slowly and cannot handle new advanced threats. This is where AI makes a difference. It adds intelligence and speed to our cybersecurity systems. AI can analyze huge amounts of data in real time, predict risk, and respond to attacks automatically. Roles of AI in cybersecurity. Let's look at the key roles AI plays in cybersecurity. Threat detection. AI can quickly identify suspicious activities such as malware, unauthorized logins, or unusual network traffic. And the next one is incident response. AI responds to threats in real time. For example, it can automatically block a hacker's access or isolate an infected computer. And the third one is vulnerability management. AI helps find weaknesses in systems so organization can fix them before they are exploited. And the fourth one is behavior analysis. AI monitors patterns in user behavior. If it notices something unusual, like a logging from a new location, it raises an alert. To put it simply, AI acts like a smart security guard. It watches, learns, and takes actions faster than any human can. Key AI technologies in cybersecurity. Now let's discuss the technologies that power AI in cybersecurity. Machine learning. Machine learning allows systems to learn from historical data. For example, it can detect malware by analyzing past behavior and identifying similar patterns in new files. And the next one is natural language processing. NLP helps analyze human language. For instance, it can spot phishing emails by reading and understanding the content. Deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks to analyze complex data. It can identify hidden threats that traditional systems miss. Automation. AI automates repetitive tasks like scanning systems, removing viruses, and blocking suspicious users, saving time for cybersecurity teams. These technologies work together to make AI systems smart, efficient, and capable of handling large scale cyber attacks. One of the most important uses of AI in cybersecurity is threat monitoring. So let's dive into that. Traditional systems rely on rules that hackers can easily bypass. AI, however, can analyze real time data and detect unusual activities that indicate a threat. For example, AI uses behavior analysis to monitor user actions. If a user suddenly tries to access files they shouldn't, AI flags it as suspicious. AI can also monitor network traffic to detect malware, DDoS attacks, or data breaches before they spread. Imagine you are working in a bank and AI spots an employee trying to transfer large amounts of money at odd hours. The system immediately raises an alert or blocks the action. This quick detection helps stop damage before it happens. Threat mitigation using AI. After detecting a threat, the next step is threat mitigation, which means reducing or stopping the risk. Here's how AI helps. Automated response. AI can block attackers, remove malware, or isolate infected systems without waiting for human input. And the next one is predictive analysis. By studying patterns, AI predict which areas are most vulnerable to future attacks and allow organization to strengthen them. Real-time action. AI can immediately respond to an attack, limiting damage. For example, AI tools like Darktrace or CrowdStrike automatically scan system, detect threats, and take action to protect the network. The result? Faster, smarter, and more effective threat management. Let's see benefits of AI in cybersecurity. Faster threat detection. AI can scan massive amounts of data instantly to find threats much faster than humans. Second one is better accuracy. AI reduces false alarms by distinguishing between real threats and harmless activities. And the third one is scalability. AI can monitor large networks with thousands of devices at once. And the next one is 24 into 7 protection. AI works around the clock like human teams which need rest, unlike human teams which need rest. These benefits allow organizations to stay ahead of cyber criminals and protect their system effectively. While AI is powerful, it does face some challenges. So let's look into the challenges in AI for cybersecurity. Data quality. AI needs high quality data to learn and make accurate predictions. If the data is poor, AI may fail. And the next one is adversarial AI. Hackers are getting smarter and can trick AI system into missing threads. And the next one is cost. Developing and maintaining AI system can be expensive for smaller organizations. And the next one is ethical issues. AI must respect privacy and there is a risk of misuse such as excessive monitoring of users. To overcome these, companies must combine AI with human expertise and continuously improve their systems. And the next one is future of AI in cybersecurity. The future of AI in cybersecurity look promising. Here's what we can expect. Autonomous defense. AI will handle threats on its own without needing human help. IoT protection. AI will secure smart devices like cameras, phone, and home systems, which are often targeted by hackers. Zero trust security. AI will ensure that no one gets automatic access. Every request will be verified. And the next one is predictive defense. AI will not just react to attacks, but predict and prevent them before they happen. These advancements will make our system stronger, safer, and ready for the challenges of the future. To conclude, let's look into the conclusion. AI is transforming cybersecurity by helping us detect, monitor, and respond to threats faster and more efficiently. While challenges like cost and privacy concerns exist, the benefits of AI, such as speed, accuracy, and scalability, make it a game changer for protecting our systems. Looking ahead, combining AI with human skills will help us stay ahead of cyber attackers and create a safer digital world. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I would be happy to answer any questions you may have. Have a nice day.